with her devoted friend who greets everybody when the door opens. Apartments small's their sanctuary and home. Girl and a dog are on their own in the streets and parks. They walk and play dinner time together at the end of the day. A girl and a dog are the best company from that apartment in Philly. They call to me, I gotta get back there to feel the warmth and the light. Without them it's another cold, lonely night. They let me in, they brought me back, showed me a new path, welcomed me to the past. In the streets and parks, we can walk and play dinner time together at the end of the day. A girl and her dog are the best company from that apartment in Philly. They call to me,